The check pawl pin secures the check pawl to your nail gun's nosepiece. The check pawl secures the nails in the nosepiece and pivots to allow the nails to be removed. The pin is secured by a plastic ring. The ring can eventually harden and break, and the pin can then come free and become lost. Replacing the check pawl pin is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the magazine from the nailer. The magazine is secured with a screw and nut at the rear of the gun. I'll place a wrench on the nut to remove the screw. Now I can pull the magazine away from the nose piece. The check pawl pin is secured with a plastic ring. I'll go ahead and remove it. Then I can pull the pin away from the check pawl. Now I can install the new check pawl pin. If the check pawl came loose, the spring should fit over the point on the check pawl, and then the check pawl goes into the nose piece. Once it's in place, I can insert the pin. And I'll secure the pin with the retainer. Now I'll slide the magazine back onto the nose piece, and I'll secure the magazine with the screw. The screw and washer go through the utility hook, and then the spacer goes over the screw and against the hook. And I'll secure it with the nut.